Hi, and welcome to 365 Fitness Tips. I'm Marty Kate. Today's topic is the benefits of marijuana, otherwise known as cannabis. So this will be interesting. Cannabis has been around for over 6,000 years. Its first use in medicine was in 2727 BC in Chinese pharmacopoeia. And in 1840, cannabis came to America. During this time, cannabis was part of prescribed drugs that doctors gave out. It wasn't until 1937 that these rules changed and made marijuana illegal for recreational as well as medical use. Because I was recently diagnosed again with cancer, I thought I should do some research on alternative methods for treatment. And when I did my research and I looked under clinical studies and everything, marijuana kept popping up. There have been extensive research done on how marijuana can either inhibit cancer cells, can retard the growth of cancer cells, not to mention if you're taking the chemotherapy, it helps you with your nausea, it helps you with your pain. And there's just a whole plethora, as they say, of medical benefits that marijuana can have on the body, not just for cancer. So, in 1974, researchers at Medical College of Virginia, who have been funded by the National Institute of Health to find evidence that marijuana damages the immune system. So they actually wanted to prove that marijuana would damage your immune system. Contrary to what they found out, that THC that's in marijuana, the THC delta 9, it actually slowed down the growth of cancer in mice. The study was then shut down by President Ford at the time, and he put an end to all public cannabis research, so no one else could do any research. But he did grant exclusive research rights to major pharmaceutical companies. So, back to the benefits. Marijuana has got so many medical benefits, and I'm just going to name some of the major ones that are out there, starting off with cancer, seizures, migraines, glaucoma, Tourette's, and OCD, multiple sclerosis, ADD and ADHD, IBS, Crohn's, Alzheimer, chronic pain, anorexia, arthritis, nausea, anxiety. These are just a handful of illnesses and diseases that research has proven that marijuana can have a good effect on it versus you taking all those drugs that have side effects. So if you would like to find more, if you'd like to find out more about the benefits of cannabis and marijuana, click on the links that I'm putting up now. One is www.norml.org. It's working to reform marijuana laws. www.procon.org. It's the pros and cons of controversial issues, and marijuana right now is a very controversial issue. www.mpp.org, the Marijuana Policy Project. www.safeaccessnow.org, that's Americans for Safe Access. And www.leap.cc, it's a law enforcement against prohibition, because it looks like this is the beginning of the end of prohibition, with Colorado and Washington State being the first two states out there that have said, look, we are turning this into an industry, it's a business, it'll help us with our revenue, we can tax it, we can monitor it, we can make sure that we're getting our fair share. So they're the first two states that have made it absolutely free. You don't even need a card, you can just go buy it like you're at the grocery store. Also, if you live in Michigan and want to know more about becoming a patient or caregiver, or just want to know what the Michigan law is, go to www.michigan.gov/MMP. As always, check with your doctor before starting any new health regimen. And eat healthy, exercise daily, enjoy your body, and become fit and empowered with me, Marty K, the queen of fitness. And I want to give praise to God, because I have been through a lot in these last 5 years. I think I've been in and out of the hospital 15 different times, admitted. And each time he has brought me through, and I know he's bringing me through this time as well, too. So, hey, till next time. Bye.